Mark Hartman and his Ohio State College roommates moved into an old house just off campus. Soon they began to hear strange noises and bumps in the night. When they awoke in the morning, doors that had been closed would now be open. Things seemed to have been moved around the house, and cupboards and microwave doors were open. They simply laughed it off and joked to their friends that their new rental house was haunted. One night, after repeatedly hearing loud noises from below the house, the roommates decided to do an extensive search of the premises. 2 flights of stairs down, behind what they had thought was a storage cupboard, Mark found a locked door. When they reported it to the realtor who had rented them the house, he came over and unlocked the door. Inside, they found that someone had actually been living in the small basement room the whole time they had been there. Apparently, the mystery tenant was named Jeremy and is believed to also be a student at Ohio State University. The realtor and police posted a notice for Jeremy to leave, and he hasn't returned to the house since, leaving behind all of his belongings. It goes without saying that Mark and his roommates have changed all of the locks on the house.